Oh, hey. Welcome back to PE from the farm. Cattle are about to have their own little takeaway, which is a lot luckier than us because out here we're too far away from takeaway, but we can have it, we just got to hunt for it. Come with me and I'll show you what I mean. To go hunting for our takeaway food on the farm, we will need to bring out the big guns. Not a machine gun, certainly not a shotgun, it'll make too big a mess. We'll need these guns, pow pow. We'll also need some ammunition. Unfortunately on the farm, we're so poor, we can only afford one O in the spelling of it. We also can't afford a tennis ball or a cricket ball or anything like that size to be able to use as ammunition. But we can conjure up a soft, squishy apple, some passion fruit, we do have horse rocks, fly-blown guava, and various other bits and pieces around that we can use as ammunition. So you'll be able to hunt something up. I'm sure you'll find something that fits in your hand nicely, just like I can. Alright, let's go over and we'll have a look at the technique to turn these into our little missiles. To turn this horse rock into ammunition, all I need to do is an overarm throw. To do my overarm throw, I'm going to stand side on, throwing hand furthest away from where I'm going to throw. I look at the target. I'm going to make my muscles. I aim at the target with my eyes focused on it. I'm going to take a step towards the target, twist and throw. Once again, I look at the target, standing side on, throwing hand furthest away. I make my muscles, I aim, I step, twist and throw. Okay, from front on, once again, I stand side on, I'm looking at the target. I then make my muscles, I aim, I step towards the target, noting it's the foot closest to the target, twist and throw. So once again, stand side on, I'm looking at the target, I make my muscles, I aim, I take a step towards the target, twist and throw. Now that you've got your technique down pat, now's the time to put it to practice. I'm starting with a big target and I'm going to work myself down to a smaller target as I go. So, once again, I'm going to look at the target, turn side on, I'm going to make my muscles, aim, step, twist and throw. Alright, now for the smaller target, I look at the target, make my muscles, aim, step towards the target, twist and throw. Winning! A helpful hint to take note of is when you do your throw, you have to keep your hand up nice and high. As I throw, remember I'm twisting at the belly, I lead with my belly, then my shoulder, then my elbow, followed by my hand. That's the first point you need to remember. The second is where you let go off the ball, or in my case, the passion fruit. If you let it go with your hand back here, it will go higher up into the air. If you let it go here, it will go flatter. If you let it go here, you're going to kill an ant and it's going to hit the ground pretty fast. So where you let go will help determine the angle it flies through the sky. So once again, as you go to do your throw, you twist, followed by your shoulder, elbow, and then your hand release. Good luck. See how you go. For my last practice throw, I'm going to do it over a distance into the bucket. So this time I'll need to take an extra big step as I throw and follow through hard with my hand to get maximum power. I'll also need to take into account the wind the curvature of the earth, and the release point of my hand. To get further, I'm going to need to get the passion fruit higher in the sky, so my hand will be further back when I go to release. Alright, stay there. I'll be back in a minute. Here I go. Now that we've practiced doing our overarm throws at big targets, smaller targets and long distance targets, it's time to go hunting. Let's get ourselves some dinner. I think I see a box of crackers. You little ripper, that'll make a good snack. That one goes in the bag. Let's see what else we can find. Shh! Pies in the sky. Oh, chunky beef and peppercorn, my favourite. Another one for the bag. Shh, there's a rabbit. It's been in the veggie patch, it's got the carrots. Oh, hang on, I don't like rabbit. It tastes like hair. Shoo, little rabbit. Shoo, little rabbit. Shoo, shoo, shoo. It looks like I can bag some chicken. Yes! Alright, let's see what else we can find. Vegan sausages. Ugh! Crap, I should have used the right technique. They've gotten away. Fish. Shh. Got it. Got me some good whiting fish. Okay, I've got most of the ingredients for dinner. I think we just need one more thing, and that's some potato chips. This is how we do it on the farm. I hope your overarm throw's coming along and it's getting nice and accurate. Remember all the little tips, and hopefully you'll get better. Come back next week when you find out why Barbie here wants us to eat more chicken. See you. How's that? Because the ultimate practice is to practice throwing at something that is moving. So this time I'm doing my overarm throw at a moving target. Here I go. Oh, you're kidding me. Looks like I can bag some chicken. it! Get out of it! Shoot, 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 shoot. You're ruining my shot. Far out. Freezing. Oh. 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 Ah. Come on, go in. Tuk, tuk, tuk. With it. Stupid. Why can't I talk when the